So first of all, I would like to thank Ramanujan College for organizing this wonderful refresher course in environmental studies. The title of the refresher course is 21st Century Environmental Issues, Challenges and Solutions. So I am happy to share my thoughts and vision that how we can store, we can mitigate climate change, we can improve our environmental conditions and environment at all. Therefore, today I kept my lecture on sustainable energy solutions from locally available resources for environmental protection in 21st century. So that is the theme of my lecture today, and I would like to share my presentation. So when we start thinking about environment, what comes in our mind? And what about realization about the environment? आप जब अपने पास में सोचते हैं कि मेरे पास का एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है, हवा साफ है, पानी साफ है, मुझे आसानी से कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है, चारों तरफ बिल्कुल हरियाली है या बिल्कुल कचरा भरा हुआ है, कैसा माहौल है? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सराउंडिंग्स एंड एनवायरनमेंट. एंड गांधी जी राइटली सेड that earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greeds. But what has happened in last 100 years of development, the paradigm which we have adopted, we followed the model of Western countries in development process, and due to that, we overexploited our resources. In that sense, what has resulted into is that now we are seeing that our air is polluted, our water is polluted, our soil is polluted, our food vegetables is polluted with chemicals, and our health is polluted. Even I can go up to the extent that our mindsets are also polluted, and we are not having our mindset and health system and our education system the way it should be. It should be environment friendly. So with this little background, what could be the alternative for which we can think of a good quality environment for 21st centuries? And what are the challenges? What are the opportunities? We have to think over it and see that how best we can move towards good quality environment in our system. So first I will start with Indian system. In Indian system, our traditional lifestyle was such that every our step, all our works were linked with good quality environment and environment friendliness. And in Vedas, it was believed that whole world is one. We are not pieces of countries or like, we are having only one planet Earth. And when we call it one planet Earth, it is whole one family. All the countries are part of it, but the total livelihood on the planet Earth is only one family. Therefore, Indian philosophy says Vasudev Kutumbakam. पूरी दुनिया मेरा परिवार है. And what we pray every day, every morning, that Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya. कि पूरी दुनिया में जितने भी लोग हैं, जितने भी प्राणी हैं, जितने भी जीवन है, वो सब सुखी रहें, किसी को कोई बीमारी नहीं हो, किसी को कोई परेशानी नहीं हो, किसी को दुख नहीं मिले. ये हम मंगल कामना करते हैं. ये वेदों के टाइम से चली आ रही है हमारी ट्रेडिशन में. तो अभी का जो एनवायरमेंट है, द प्रेजेंट एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस इज सच दैट we have over exploited our resources and we have pumped more and more greenhouse gases in our environment, and that has resulted into climate change. And we are observing climate change for last so many years, at least for last 15-20 years. And today, when I am delivering this lecture before all of you, today in all newspapers, it has been covered that in Northern America and Canada, temperature has risen up to 48.5. In such a cold climate region, when temperature goes up to 48, 49, what can happen? And more than 250 people have died due to high temperatures. So this is the effect of climate change. You see heavy floods, heavy drought, sudden change in the climate. All these are effect of our climate catastrophe. And this is due to the climate change which is happening, and this is due to our environment. So this has been recognized by United Nations, and United Nations is now saying that we have to use more and more green technologies. We have to mitigate climate change. We have to minimize greenhouse gas emissions so that we can minimize use of fossil fuels. We have to expand use of renewable energy sources, and also we have to think over the climate which can sustain life on our planet not only for few hundred years, not only for few thousand years, but millions of years to come. So with this background, that what kind of environment is required for all of us, we have to think over it. Therefore, in Indian tradition, Indian philosophy, Indian lifestyle, we respect the environment. हम लोग नदी की पूजा करते हैं, हम पहाड़ की पूजा करते हैं, हम पेड़ की पूजा करते हैं, हम लोग गाय की पूजा करते हैं. Many trees are considered sacred. Rivers and mountains are also considered holy. Animals are worshipped. And due to less technological development and penetration, day-to-day functions were sourced from locally available resources. Biomass was a source of energy in every household. आप देखिए कि सभी गांव में वो फ्री में वो अपना खाना बनाने के लिए कोई ईंधन को खरीदते नहीं है. ट्रेडिशनली जो आसपास में घास फूस, काऊ डैंग के उपले और लकड़ी वो मिल जाती है, उसी से अपना ट्रेडिशनल बायोमास को, स्टोव को जला के, चूल्हे को जला के, लकड़ी के चूल्हे को जला के खाना बनाते रहे हैं. परंतु इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे वो कहते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीन हाउस गैस छोड़ता है चूल्हा आपका. हमारी घर में अगर रोटी बननी है तो रोटी तवे पे बननी है, और जब तक उसकी आंच में सिकाई नहीं होगी तब तक वो स्वादिष्ट नहीं बनेगी. तो जब आप लकड़ी पे खाना बनाते हैं, उसका जो खाना आप खाएंगे और जो एलपीजी पे बना हुआ खाना खाएंगे और दूसरे इलेक्ट्रिक स्टोव पे बना हुआ खाएंगे, तो उसमें डिफरेंस आपको अपने आप पता लग जाएगा कि कितना डिफरेंस है. इवन वाटर कंजर्वेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट हैज बीन ए हाउस होल्ड प्रैक्टिस सिंस हरपन टाइम्स. हम पानी की एक बूंद को भी वेस्ट नहीं करते. हमारा सिस्टम इस तरह का था कि ये वाटर सप्लाई तो पिछले शहरों में 100 साल से आई है, गांव में 50 साल से आई है, और कुछ गांव में तो अभी पिछले 5 साल में आई है. तो जो पानी लेने के लिए कुएं पे जाना पड़ता था, कुएं से पानी निकालते थे और आप घर पे लाते थे, तो उतना ही लाते थे जितना आपको कम से कम जरूरत होती थी, और उसमें कोई वेस्ट होता नहीं था. इसलिए गांव में ना नाली होती थी ना कीचड़ होता था. पर अभी वो सारी लाइफ स्टाइल धीरे 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 बदल रही है. Now, in present lifestyle calls for a mega shift to sustainable energy sources. कि किस तरह से हम जो एनवायरमेंट में इतना ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशंस बढ़ रहा है, how we can control it? So over exploitation of resources and greenhouse gases, climate change and green technologies are the buzzwords in 21st century. Even in 17 Sustainable Development Goals identified by United Nations, targets have been given to all the countries to mitigate this climate change so that their greenhouse gas emissions can be controlled. And now European Union has made a policy by 2030 they have to use only renewable energy resources with minimum fossil fuel applications. Our exploitation of our resources is common without putting measures placed replacing them, and large scale deforestation for settlements is happening, and mining and other commercial activities. Commonly used energy sources comprise of coal and oil, which meets our energy demand today. So this is a transition which has taken place in last 100 years. That earlier, first we started using the solid fuels like coal. Then we came to liquid fuels like petrol, diesel. Now we are transferring it to gaseous fuels like CNG, LPG, and biogas, etc. Gasification. But due to all these pollution, global warming, greenhouse gas emissions, centralized technologies, and urban development, models are ringing alarm bells. You can imagine situation in say month of November in Delhi. What happens? For last 3 years, we are unable to breathe in this environment. And what is happening? There is a heavy smoke due to burning of rice straw, paddy straw in the fields in Punjab and Haryana. And the impact is on Delhi's climate. Even many children are getting suffocated. So they are using air purifiers in their homes. This is not a good situation. As a result, natural calamities are increasing, making news such as disease outbreaks, pandemics, flash floods, cyclones, earthquakes, landslides, animal extinction. All these things are now being observed due to this heavy greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. And there is an urgent need to move to sustainable energy solutions, keeping environmental priorities in our mind. अगर हम ग्रीन हाउस गैस छोड़ना बंद कर देंगे, CO2 और मीथेन एमिशंस कम कर देंगे, तो नेचुरली आवर एनवायरनमेंट विल improve and we can stay healthy and safe.